Welcome to the United Kingdom, a country rich in history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. Whether you're drawn to ancient castles, modern cities, or rolling green hills, the UK has something for everyone. Let's explore. The UK is made up of four nations: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Each has its own unique traditions, languages, and symbols that reflect its history and identity. We begin in England, the largest part of the UK. London, its capital, is home to famous landmarks like Big Ben, the Houses of Parliament, and the London Eye. England is also known for its literary heritage, with writers like William Shakespeare and Jane Austen shaping English literature. The national symbol of England is St. George's Cross, a red cross on a white background. England's national flower is the Tudor rose, symbolizing unity after the War of the Roses. Culturally, England is known for football, soccer, afternoon tea, and traditions like the Queen's Guard at Buckingham Palace. Next, we travel north to Scotland, a land of breathtaking landscapes and rich history. Edinburgh, the capital, is home to the Edinburgh Castle, while the Scottish Highlands offer rugged beauty and legends like the Loch Ness Monster. Scotland's flag is St. Andrew's Cross, a white diagonal cross on a blue background. Its national flower is the thistle, a symbol of resilience. Scottish culture is famous for bagpipes, kilts, and Highland dancing. One of the most unique traditions is the Highland Games, featuring events like cobber tossing and tug-of-war. And if you're feeling adventurous, try haggis, Scotland's national dish, made from sheep's organs, spices, and oats. Heading west, we arrive in Wales, a land of mountains, castles, and a deep-rooted Celtic identity. Cardiff, the capital, is home to Cardiff Castle. But Wales has more castles per square mile than anywhere else in the world. Wales' national flag features a red dragon, a powerful symbol of strength and bravery. Its national symbols include the daffodil and the leek, both linked to Welsh history. The Welsh language is one of the oldest in Europe and is still widely spoken today. Wales is also famous for male voice choirs and Eisteddfod, a festival celebrating Welsh poetry, music, and performance. For a sweet treat, try Welsh cakes, small round pastries filled with fruit and sugar. Our final stop is Northern Ireland, home to dramatic coastlines and rich cultural heritage. One of its most famous sites is the Giant's Causeway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site made up of hexagonal rock columns. Northern Ireland's flag is St. Patrick's Cross, a red diagonal cross on a white background. The shamrock is a national symbol, often associated with St. Patrick, the patron saint of Ireland. Irish culture is full of traditional music and dance, with lively fiddle tunes and step dancing. When it comes to food, Irish stew, made with lamb, potatoes, and carrots, is a warm and hearty favorite. The Union Jack represents the unity of these four nations, each with its own unique traditions and culture. Whether you're exploring castles, hiking mountains, or enjoying British traditions, the UK is a place full of wonders. Now, let's see what you've learned. Here are 5 questions to test your knowledge. 1. Which four nations make up the United Kingdom? 2. What is the capital city of the UK, and which famous landmarks can be found there? 3. Name one cultural tradition or national symbol from each of the 4 UK nations. What are some famous historical landmarks found in the UK? 5. What is the Union Jack, and what does it represent? So, when are you planning your trip?